You probably know cheap wireless mics sound terrible, but this $50 Hollyland Lark A1 mic really surprised me. I've been using this microphone for weeks and the sound quality way better than I expected. Keep in mind, this mic is specially designed for phone users. Alright, this is Abrar Fardin and today we're gonna find out if this microphone is worth for buying or not.
Alright, let's open the box. First, there is a manual with setup instructions. Then we have got this small charging case. It's compact, enough to fit in your pocket. The build feels solid, not premium, but definitely not flimsy. What's inside the box? Two super tiny mics, seriously they are tiny. One USB receiver for Android, one lightning receiver for iPhones, two clips, two fluffy wine cupboards, one charging cable, one small carrying case. The coolest part, no messy weights. How to use it? Super easy. Plug the receiver into your phone like charging, turn on the mics, press and hold for 2 seconds. Now start recording, they connect automatically. But if you found some issues, then check your camera app settings. From the microphone section, please choose wide mic. How to clip this microphone? It's pretty simple. Choose the spot, place the mic about 6 to 8 inches below your mouth. Open the clip and grip your collar, shirt placket or lapel. Hold the mic outside your shirt and place the magnet plate inside so they snap together. Always remember, the small pickup hole should point toward your mouth, not hidden in fabric. Speak normally. If the audio is muffled, adjust the angle or position. By the way, each mic is only 8 grams, so you will hardly notice. There is also an app called Lark Sound on the Play Store. If you want, you can download it. When you open it, you will see it shows your model right away and gives you full control over the mic. For example, battery check, noise reduction, EQ adjustment, channel mode control, volume adjustment, reverse mode. Basically, it's like having a mini audio studio in your pocket.
The Lark A1 comes with a compact charging case that keeps both mics and receiver powered up. Each mic gives you 8 hours of backup. With the charging case, you get up to 20 hours of backup, which means you can easily go through a full day of recording. The case itself charged by a USB-C, so it's fast and works with any modern phone chargers. Okay, so let's do some sound quality test and see how the microphone performs. Okay, so the sound quality that you are hearing, it is coming straight from Hollyland Lark A1. I didn't edit any vocals, so it is completely raw, and let me know in the comment section below how the sound quality look like. Okay, for this particular portion, I will edit the vocal. So the sound quality that you are hearing, again, it is coming from Hollyland Lark A1, but this time I edited the audio. So I can definitely say if you record in a quiet place and then you do some tweaks in post-production, there is a very high chance the audio will sound super professional and everyone will love it. Okay, so for another test, we're gonna use this wine flip cover or wine fluffy cover, whatever you like to call. Let's put this into our microphone. Can you spot the difference? From my previous experience, what I see whenever I put the wine cover, then the sound quality or the vocal gets little bit muffled or little bit volume goes down. So let me know what is your thoughts on this.
What I like, super lightweight, very easy setup, great value for the price, compact charging case, 2 mics included, no wire, just plug and go. What could be better? Plastic case feels basic. Wine covers are a bit bulky, look awkward on shirts.
I can definitely see there's a noise on my phone. You know, I'm using the Lark Sound, but I'm not pretty much sure how it sounds. So let me know in the comment section below. Is it good or is it extremely bad? Let me know. It's perfect for beginners making videos, podcasts, TikToks, UGC, this kind of contents you can definitely make with Hollyland Lark A1. And since it's made for phone, setup is super simple. For just $50, this is one of the best mic that I ever see so far. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. The Best Buy link will be found in the description box below, and if you have any questions or suggestion, do let me know in the comment section below. This is Abrar Fardin, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my love.